Kristi Gordon now for a look at our weather forecast. Nice to have a dry day, Kristi.
Oh, it was so nice to see some sunshine today. Yeah, that's for sure. We're right back into it, though, Sophie. We've got another one on deck. Here's a look. So we've got a wind warning in place. These are the areas highlighted in purple. White is the snowfall warning. So 25 centimeters of snow for areas like Stewart, Terrace, Kitimat. That will be into tomorrow morning. We're also expecting windy conditions, southeasterly winds gusting up to 110 kilometers an hour. It's all because of this sucker here. We are expecting it to affect the south coast as well, but not as intensely tomorrow, and I'll break it down for you, but I just wanted to show you how long. So this is sort of an atmospheric river. It's more like a category 1 or category 2, so primarily beneficial for the region. But yeah, significant snow will spread in through the interior regions. For our area, this is tomorrow morning, so we do have a few showers expected across our region tomorrow morning, but we'll actually get underneath that warm front by the afternoon, and we're expecting blue sky by the afternoon. We are going to soar in terms of temperature, which always happens with atmospheric river. It pulls in those mild conditions, so 10 degrees with that sunshine. But then the cold front swings through tomorrow night, and we're back into periods of wet and windy conditions. So here's a look at your Thursday, everyone. So the heaviest rain will be across the north and central coast, where we'll see windy conditions as well. Some nice breaks in through those of you in through the southern interior. But for the Vancouver Island region, we'll see wind and rain. And for our area, we are expecting rainfall, but it's not until the evening hours. Generally tomorrow, just a few showers in the morning, breaks of blue sky by the afternoon. And then, as I mentioned, that wind and rain will push in by the late evening hours, it looks like, for our region. So back to you.
All right, thanks, Kristi. An experiment that allowed one decent day, which is better than no decent days.
We'll take it, right? We'll take it.
We have to. Yeah, I mean, it's January after all, and that time, or no, sorry, it's February.
It's February 8th, Kristi.
Thank you. I'm definitely on it. What I meant more so was that it is winter after all, and sometimes that can happen where we just get patterns of non-stop systems. So yes, a nice little break today, but we've got another one on deck that's already producing warnings. It includes the North Coast inland sections, a snowfall warning, 25 centimeters of snow expected as that pushes through overnight and into the early parts of the morning hours tomorrow. Areas in purple under a wind warning with southeast gusts, potentially up to 110 kilometers an hour. This is an atmospheric river, but the main target is really the north and central coast. It's an AR category 2 targeting those regions. Now, we are just on the bottom edge of it. We will be impacted by the warm front as it cruises across the region, so a chance of showers overnight through the morning hours for our region, but then it continues to slide further north, and we'll actually catch breaks of blue sky tomorrow afternoon, and it will be very mild because we're in that warm sector of the atmospheric river. So 10 degrees as our high, but by Thursday night, we're back into periods of rain as the cold front swings across. So we're not going to be immune from this system, but definitely those of you across the north coast will get hit. So periods of heavy rain for you over the next 24 hours. Nice breaks of blue sky for the interior regions, but the west coast of Vancouver Island will be impacted with periods of rain. For our region, just a chance of showers in the morning, breaks of blue sky in the afternoon, but we will see rain by Thursday evening and then overnight. Into Friday, we're getting behind it. We'll see some breaks of blue sky, but we still have a chance of showers. And yes, there's your sort of winter-like forecast, or February, I guess you could say. Now, here's a look at tonight's Central Windows weather window coming to you from Soyuz. Trevor Reeves sharing this with us. Beautiful moonlit lake there. Thank you so much, Trevor, for that one. Okay, back to you too.
That's beautiful. Thank you, Kristi.
Like glass. All right.